In this video, we'll cover the basics of submittal creation and submittal review by project collaborators. You'll see how Review's PDF creation and form tools can reduce the time and resources needed to assemble submittals. Next, we'll look at how Review's industry-specific markup tools can be customized and tracked to ensure clear and predictable communication, and how Bluebeam's real-time collaboration tools such as Studio Sessions streamline the flow of information by allowing multiple parties to review, mark up, stamp, and track the same submittals simultaneously. With submittals being a regular part of the building process, putting them together needs to be a quick and easy process. To aid in this process, Review Extreme includes a tool to turn a standard PDF template into a fillable form called Auto Form Creation. This feature detects fields on your template and automatically applies form fields, including checkboxes and digital signature fields. This makes filling out your cover sheet a quick and simple procedure. Since you'll want to use this cover sheet over and over, you can save it as a template in Review, making it accessible wherever you need it. With the cover sheet filled out, you can now assemble your package by combining all relevant documents into one combined PDF document. Using PDF templates and form fields, submittal creation is easier than ever. We're now ready to share the submittal with our project collaborators for their review and approval. This has traditionally been done by printing the files and mailing them to the architect to distribute to the other design team members. With Studio Sessions, the real-time cloud collaboration tools built into Review, the contractor can share the submittal with the design team for simultaneous review. We'll see how this significantly reduces timelines of communication between collaborators and ensures no information is lost, as everyone can track the markups to the submittal. After logging into Studio, the contractor starts a new session. The contractor uploads the submittal file from their local drive into Studio. They can set permissions for the other collaborators. In this case, the contractor provides full control to the future attendees so they can invite other members of the design team. Lastly, the contractor can set a time for the session to expire. The contractor now invites reviewers to the session. Invitees will receive an invite with a link to join the session. If they don't currently have a Studio account, they will have the opportunity to create one through the invitation. They will also have the opportunity to download a trial version of Review if they don't currently have the program installed. With a trial, they'll be able to fully participate in the session, even if their trial expires. Now that all the required reviewers have access to the session, they can use Review's industry-specific markup tools to communicate on the same file simultaneously or at their own pace. With Review's exclusive tool chest, standardized markups can be created and distributed to all reviewers to provide clarity and consistency of comments. Here you can see that each tool set contains color-coded markups per discipline to be able to quickly distinguish comments from one trade to another. We are now viewing the architect screen within the Studio session. Because the engineer is also reviewing in this session at the same time, we'll see their comments pop up in real time. While the engineer is reviewing the documents in Boston, the architect in Chicago is also reviewing and adds a comment using his specified toolset. After reviewing, the design team places their respective approval stamps on the submittal. Stamps can easily be created and shared with colleagues to establish standardized practices within an organization. To notify the contractor that the architect is complete, he can right-click his stamp and select Alert Attendee from the list. That action will send the contractor an email with an image of the stamp and a link to rejoin the session, where he will have a notification waiting for him in his notifications section. This is also tracked in the session record, keeping track of the response. Attendees can also set their status within the session to let others know where they are in the process. With Review's PDF creation and markup tools and Studio Sessions, you and your project collaborators can process submittals quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.